Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for hitting that link to see the video. If you end up liking this video, hit the like button and please subscribe. I would love input from you guys about this channel because this is new to me. And if you happen to like motorcycles, if you happen to like drones, photography, or just like listening to some random person talk to you guys, you come to the right channel. Welcome. My name is Alan Paul, and I am here to show you guys where you can legally fly your drones. And I say legally because of some wonderful rules and regulations that's happened out there. So I will be showing you guys on my good old motorcycle here places you can go in California, and maybe some other states depending on how far I travel, where you can fly these drones at. First place I'm going to take you to is one of my personal favorites, Treasure Island. And I know it's weird to say this, but a lot of people in San Francisco don't even know it exists. Now, a lot of your tourists, though, those who just come and visit it, you know about this because a lot of the tour buses take people there because there's a beautiful, beautiful skyline of San Francisco. But I know a lot of friends of mine who live in San Francisco for years and years and years, and they don't even know about it. So I'm going to show you about it, and I'm also going to show you some awesome drone footage from this island. So follow me and you'll see a place where you can fly your drones at. Here we go. One of the reasons why I like flying my drone at Treasure Island, besides the legal part, is the view. A lot of people don't realize how beautiful the view here is on Treasure Island. The only people that really do are those tourist buses. But even then, they don't know all the places. They only know of one right now due to construction at this wonderful place called Merci, which is a very nice little restaurant. I do recommend it. No, I'm not being paid to say this, but yes, it has good food and a pretty decent root beer float. That being said, the views here are phenomenal, but you do have to be a little bit aware of your surroundings. One, keep your line of sight of your drones here, because there are construction. That being said, this is one of the most open areas you can fly in, especially on a clear day like today. Oh my goodness gracious, it's going to be fantastic to fly. Second thing, the National Guard is down below to the left over there. In fact, there should be a gate right over here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, don't fly over them. Don't go over there. That's silly. Unless you really want to lose your drone and then get in major trouble, don't do that. Just don't. No. Besides that, the other thing you got to watch out for is pedestrians. Now, some people really like drones. In fact, I've had a few people come up to me and ask me about my drones while flying out here. They're like, ooh, I want to see. This is the first time I get to see a drone. Believe it or not everyone knows about drones. So it's like shocking when they see one. It's like, ooh, it's so pretty. Then there's those who's like, are you sure you can actually fly here? I'm pretty sure it's illegal to fly here without a proper license. I can. And you can also show them that you can also fly here via the AirMap and Hoover. Oh, look at that view. Sorry, I've been flying here for, well, I haven't been flying here. I've been coming here a lot just to enjoy the view. So the view in itself is just beautiful. And you can't beat this view. This is such a fantastic view. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you a few spots around here that you can fly at. That being said, one of the restrictions you got to watch out for is this island behind me here. The reason why it's not really the island itself, it's what's behind the island. It's the National Guard, like I was saying. But also, every once in a while, there is a sports game happening over there at San Francisco Bay. The San Francisco Giants, they end up taking the airspace for the game itself, because they usually either have a blimp or some type of drone taking footage itself, which, you know, it's alright. Hey, whoa, dude. Whew. Some people just don't know how to drive these days. That being said, there are plenty of places to fly around in. And one of my first places we're going to is we're going to get some pictures of the Oakland Bay Bridge. Why? Because we can. It's going to look fantastic. Oh. That was a pretty Mustang.
Oh no, I might get some hate mail of the Ford Mustang because I approved it. Oh my goodness gracious. Ah!
I don't know why I went all Marvin the Martian there, but alright. This is a view and a half. Alright. I'm going to park my bike here. Let's go flying. So this is Treasure Island. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching my footage. If you like what you saw, hit the like button and also hit subscribe. If you didn't like what you liked, also hit the down button. That's fine. What I would like you guys to do is leave a comment. You know, in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. If the footage was good, if you like the location, if you like the content, if you like the sound of my voice, please let me know. If you hate the sound of my voice, also let me know. Even though I can't do much about my voice, I will do what I can to increase the enjoyment of entertainment. For you. I'm going to try to make these videos about once a week, if not every other week. Anywho, guys, thank you for watching. See you in about a week. See ya. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. No.